Good morning, you guys. I just dropped Jaden off at the bus stop. We barely made it to the bus. I'm glad he was late and we was late too. But anyway, I'm about to go edit today's video and get it scheduled because I need to go to the office today and ship out orders, and I have a bunch of meetings. So yeah, that's what I'm about to do. What else I need to do? I need to do a lot of stuff. So we need to get to planning, get my planner out and start writing stuff. Let's get today started. Hey you guys, so it's 10:58. I'm on my way downtown to the office. I did get the video uploaded. I did put out my reel for my new products that came this month. Well, yesterday. I sent out my newsletter yesterday. And my Shopify is just acting crazy. Like everything I did yesterday, I linked everything in the newsletter and I linked the new arrivals. But when you go to the new arrivals page, it shows like featured products. And I didn't put it on featured products. So it doesn't show all the new items. So I think a lot of people thought I didn't have anything new. And so when I go in there, you can resort it, but I haven't figured out how to make it save the sort. Now, I read the instructions. It said to go into Shopify, go to that collection, put it in the order you wanted to put it, and then hit save. And when people click on it, it will save appropriately. That shit not doing that. I don't know what's wrong with it. I swear to goodness. And then to put the candy or the topping on the cake, this morning I get up and none of my stuff is in the Shopify app or the shop apps on Instagram or on the Facebook. It didn't say like new products has been added to my Facebook shops or my Instagram shops. So I'm in there trying to figure what's going on. It got some weird errors. I fixed all of them. They look like they fine. But yet none of them won't show up in the shop. I can't figure out how to sync it, like resync it to see if that's the issue, just if it missynced last night or whatever the case may be. And I'm just frustrated because I feel like, you know, you try to do this stuff on your own. You try to read the instructions. You try to troubleshoot. They be like, learn more. And when you read that stuff don't make no sense. Like the stuff they tell you to do is just dumb. It's like, read what it says. I did read what it says, but it don't tell me what to do to fix the problem. It tells me that something like, one of them told me the product wasn't active. How is it not active when it's active on my Shopify site? Like you can see it on the Shopify site. So how is it not active? So I activated that. Those two showed up in the shop. But everything else, my 2 coats, my jacket, my shirt, my 2 sweaters, my necklaces, my earrings are not showing up. When I look in one place, they're there, but then when I look in the other place, they're not there, and I don't know the difference between the 2 places. So I'm just done. I'm just done with this day. Maybe it'll correct itself later. Maybe I'll figure out how to undo it and redo it. I don't know. Like, I hate that they don't have something that's like resync or reconfigure, like something to make it refresh so you can get it to go. Because it does have like, because when I was going and trying to manually fix it, it was like, oh, you have everything synced to Shopify, so just sync it in, just update it in Shopify and it'll do that. I did that and it's still not working, so I don't know what's wrong with it. Maybe it'll take all 24 hours or 30 years, because now they talking about, because before it used to update on a schedule. I had it on a schedule like every hour or something like that. Now it says it automatically updates Shopify every 15 minutes, but clearly it's been 40 minutes. It's been 24 hours almost. Well, less than 24 hours. I'm exaggerating because I put that stuff up at 8. It's been at least 8 hours. So if it's updated every 15 minutes, then why is my stuff not out there? So I don't know. So I'm frustrated about that. So I'm headed on downtown to work, and I will see you guys a little bit later. Maybe I'll feel better later, but I got it because shit like this irks me, because I do everything I'm supposed to do, and then they don't keep the end of the bargain, and then you can't get in touch with nobody. It's just a fucking tragedy. It's a tragedy. No, it isn't, but it's annoying is what it is. It's very annoying. So I'll talk to you guys later. Alright, you guys, I'm leaving the office. I had one meeting today that I took, and I am finished packing orders. So I'm about to drop them off at the post office. And I got gotta figure out what I want to eat for lunch because we literally have nothing at the house except to cook, and I might take some stuff out when I get home and cook tonight. It's probably what I need to do instead of keep on eating out. It's not good for me. I need to stop eating out anyway. So yeah, it's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. Beautiful day in the neighborhood. You be mine, you be mine. So yeah, but it didn't take that long today. Anyway, that's what I'm doing. So I will check with you guys when I get back to the house because I ain't really doing nothing for real. So, alright guys, it's currently 3:20. Is it 3:28? It's close to 3:30. It's 3:24. And I just got finished with my last meeting of the day. But I got to spend this last 30, probably maybe an hour figuring out how to import something into the system. So I need to watch a little video right quick and do a little follow-up reading on what they're talking about, and then I need to get as much done as I can this Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, because I'm off Thursday, Friday, and then all the way to next. I'm off on Thursday, and then I don't go back to work until next Friday. So I'll be off, and yeah, I'm just taking time because I can. I mean, like I said, I thought I was going on my trip, and I could have canceled my time for this week because I'm not going camping until Monday. But I don't really have to do that because I have so much time. It doesn't matter anyway if I take off Thursday and Friday. And hopefully Thursday and Friday, my plan is to get up Thursday and get to working on this living room. So I'm hoping like Thursday and Friday I can get a lot done, because y'all know once I get into a mode I can get some shit done. So I'm trying to get my mind right to be like, okay Keoshia, on Thursday and Friday you need to be painting, sanding, painting, whatever it is you do, you need to be doing that shit on Thursday and Friday. And then I'll have Saturday and Sunday because I really don't have anything to do. I think Saturday was supposed to go to the pumpkin patch, but I think Jalen's dad is taking her to get her hair done. I might have to ask him to wait till the next weekend, or we might just not do the pumpkin carving. We didn't get to do it last year because Jalen was sick, and then we wanted to do it this year, but now that she's going to get her hair done, she forgets to tell her dad that we're doing stuff, and he be scheduling stuff because we don't communicate. And so I don't know how that's gonna go. And so yeah, we'll have to see if we're gonna go to the pumpkin patch or not. So that's that. My laptop's about to die, so I need to charge it. Don't know what we're gonna eat for dinner. I need to clean up my kitchen. I got so much to do. I just don't want to do nothing, but I know I have no choice. I have to do things. So I'm about to watch this video right quick and see what I can get done on this Chronicles, and that's the name of the application I gotta learn about right quick, or refresh my memory, because we did go over it a little bit in my classes, but not too in depth. So yep, I will talk to you guys later. I don't think I'm gonna be doing too much today anyway, but I'll still come back and check with you guys later. I promise. I know I'd be falling off, but I'll be back. I promise. 7-11 at night. And I'm over here still working, and I don't got frustrated because it took me almost an hour to figure out how to figure out where to download this spreadsheet for my job. But now it's asking me to download it. I need a file path to save it. And I went through the little guide, and it told you what to put, but it's not working. It says it can't open up the file path to even save it in the file path. So I just, I'm over here frustrated. So I'm trying to see if anybody at work knows. So I sent like a group message. I sent out a message to the group on Slack and was like, y'all know how to do this? I'm like, cause your girl don't try everything. It ain't working out in my life. So because I got frustrated with that, and I was trying to work it out because I'm going on vacation, so I want to get this stuff done between today, tomorrow, and Wednesday, because you know I'm on vacation Thursday and Friday. So yeah, I don't want to have to worry about work. I want to just go ahead and what I want to go ahead and do. I want to go ahead and concentrate on my house and not have to worry about trying to figure out stuff to do for work. So Trying to get this thumbnail because I'm always so late doing every damn thing that I do right here. That's just who I am. Da, da, da. Okay, can I not get a better thing? Did I not get a better picture of my outfit? I guess so. That's what I have to do. Four. See? So hopefully, because these folks be, look, it's so funny because any other night they all up cackling and fucking doing jokes at 9 o'clock at night, but it's only 7 o'clock and I ask a question and it ain't heard a damn peep. Ain't heard a peep. Like now. So, I'm over here like, what is y'all doing? What am I doing? What am I doing, Keoshia? Oh. Alright. It's going up 22 minutes late, but it's up there. Okay? It's up there, y'all. I did it. Alright, I'm about to go in my room and just call it a night. I know y'all gonna be like, girl, you ain't do nothing. I ain't do nothing. I've been just working on work. Busting at the ham. She had got her report card today. And she had a D in one class, but then the teacher looked like he changed it to a B, child. I don't know what a grade is. I hate it when they do that. Like, don't send out the report cards if the teachers ain't got all their fucking grades in. Hell. But anyway. So I was telling her, you know, you can't be around here flunking, girl. Can't be flunking. So that's why I'm going camping by myself, because I can't. I can't take her out of school when her grades ain't up to par. So, yeah, I was going to be that parent who take kid out of school just to go camping. I was going to be that person. Y'all do it all the time. Don't judge. Y'all do it when y'all take y'all kids to Disney World. Because I had a girl who worked with me who took her kids to Disney World. Was it in December? Like one of the least times that people go. And that child was out of school for a whole week. Talking about something. Her school determined it was educational or something. He would get credit. I was like, girl, shut up talking to me. So guess what? That's what I was going to do. But since we having issues, I'm not going to do it. I'm not going to do it. So yeah. That's what's going on with that. That was that rhyme. Or reason or whatnot. Anyway, them sure ate all the fucking bread. I just bought that loaf of bread. I literally didn't get not a piece of toast, a piece of nothing off of it. I wonder if I have any bread in my stash over here. So it's probably bad by now. Because I keep my bread for so long, it probably went bad. I need to get it off from up here if I got mold and hard, crusty and shit. Look, I don't even know what the date was on this thing. What was the date? I don't know what the date is on this bread. So, is that it right there? I don't know. I'm not gonna eat it though. Let me throw this away. Yuppers, I need to clean out my little cabinet. It's about that time to clean it out and get it organized. Backward. There's some more bread back here. What is this? Oh no. That's some little things that I didn't eat. Or whatever. Or whatever. I guess I could go on to bed eating nothing. I'm that person. Make me a bag of popcorn, watch me a movie, eat the popcorn my mama bought me. Eat the popcorn my mama bought me. Sure will. Alright, you guys. I think that's it for the vlog. If it's really, really short, I'll combine it with tomorrow, I guess. But that's all I did. It's getting kind of... What day we on? The 18th? But I think I just uploaded the 16th. So I'm like 3 days behind. And that's for them days that I just didn't vlog. And I might just skip. I don't know why I didn't number it for the day I was actually on instead of putting fucking 16 and keep going in chronological order. That's the person in me. I don't want to say I'm OCD, but what do you call it? I don't know. That's the person to be. I was like, I need to go to the next day. I can't skip today, 29. Or whatever. So maybe I'll fill in with some random videos to make sure we have 31 videos for October. So we'll figure it out. I still haven't done like my fall favorites or a fall lookbook or something. So maybe I'll do one of them and try to throw that up in there. Not throw it. It's going to be still a good video. But, you know, try to get that together. Maybe do a fall lookbook, my fall favorites, or something like that. So we shall see. I know I probably ain't going to do no like fall decorations because my house is atrocious. But if I start doing my vlogging, but I feel like, yeah, if I start working on my living room, I might can throw a couple of renovation videos up there. It's not no if. First and foremost, Keoshia, you will work on this living room on Thursday and Friday. Like, I will not do nothing else. I'm going to get my headphones, I'm going to give me some music, and I'm finna get to work, and it ain't going to be no excuse, Keoshia. You hear that, girl? Ain't no excuse. Y'all tell me, Keoshia, no excuse. Paint the fucking living room, the dining room. Do it. Say, do it, girl. Do it. Tell me down below. Do it, girl. So, yeah. But I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye.